What's going on, guys? It's Cody. We're back with another Mini Moto Friday Night Live! We got our buddy Zach and Taryn in the building. He just installed a handbrake, so he's, you know, making sure it's all Gucci. And we got Carson in the building on the two-stroke! Two-stroke! Ying, 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 ying! So yeah, it's Friday Night Live, and as you guys can't tell, we're live. And we are headed back down to the same spot as last Friday, and that is Graffiti Park. We can meet up with the guys and go bob out at the city. Not gonna bore you with the whole putt there, unless something exciting happens, then you guys always get to be included in those clips. But for the most part, we just like to get straight to the action. Oh, Zach and Taryn got the R6 studded out over here. They do tandem, so she'll be sitting in front of him talking about woo and yeah, and you know, all the stuff she'll be talking about under that helmet. Really, I feel like she just be jamming most of the time. Yeet! Oh, the infamous Dago's tattoo right there. That's where Tupac got the tattoo. I cannot think. I just had a brain fart. Oh, he got the tattoo Thug Life there. The famous one across his belly. He got it at Dago's Tattoo here in Houston, Texas. If you didn't know, now you know. Not to be confused with the guy that said that line in the song, which was the notorious B.I.G. And now if you didn't know, now you know. Hey, we gotta get on before 610 because of dead ends. Uh-oh. Ooh, they're doing it. They're doing it. Little practice session. Let's go. Okay, I'm trying to catch up. I'm trying to catch up. All right. Yeah, land. She's like, oh no. We got a full send it. But luckily, there's traffic right here, so shouldn't have to worry too much. A good idea to top these things out like that. Woo! Like I said, we're not going to bore you guys, but we're going to give you some good clips before we get there. Look at my boy Cody. Killing it. Second gear wheelies. That boy got him down. Hey, you going to throw it? Hey! Hey! Let's go! Okay, it's Friday Night Live. Let's go! That's how you do that. Let's go! We have arrived, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, you guys get to witness this beautiful skyline, and we are at the graffiti wall. All kinds of bikes. This group looks a little bigger than the last one. Already. Yeah. So yeah, but like I said, once again, not gonna bore you guys with the, you know, rambling and small talk. We're gonna get straight to the action. Oh man. So as you guys know, the normal thing to do is go hit the gas station. We're gonna fill up, kind of show you guys some of the stuff we got out today. So like I said, got some dirt bikes, got some Groms, pretty much got all kinds of stuff. Got old Isaiah. I see you rocking the full face this time.
Trying to do handbrake shit, I gotta.
Oh yeah, gotta do it. But yeah, man, we got all kinds of stuff out here. You already know, we got the Groms, we got the dirt bikes, we got full-on stunt bikes, motards, like pretty much everything. But today is definitely, I feel like a lot more wild of a crowd. We got a lot more Banshees, four-wheelers, quads, like, I mean, everything's out here. But we're gonna have some fun, just like we did last time. Oh yeah, faux show. Yeah, yeah, let's go. Oh shit, it's a subway. I didn't know it could stop. Man. Let's go. Ooh. Oh man, you gotta love it. Jeez. What's up, homie? Hell yeah, bro. If that ain't motivational, I don't know what is. did that in 4th gear. I can't even get 2nd. Hey, quality family time right here. I still got a full tank. So yeah, everybody's gonna fill up, and then you already know the vibes. We're gonna get back to it. Yeah! Bro, the first one I just did, dude, I was so close to looping it. I'm so glad I could use rear brake, because that shit went yeet! Trying to wheelie the Navi. So while everybody gets their gas and fuel and practice their wheelies, hell yeah. Since I can't do 2nd gear, you know, I get my fun out right here. Skirt. Huh? A little bit. Can I borrow some of that? Looking a little low, so I went ahead and topped off. All right, boys and girls, we're back at it. Time to kill these streets one more again. Enjoying every minute of this. Yo, he saved it! Yeah! Let's go! It shut off? Ah. Damn. Woo! You see that? Oh, bro. He was up there, and bro, that shit came down, and he was like on the side of the bike sliding with his feet, bro. He almost lost it, but he saved it. Oh, yeah. So that's the thing. So on these runs, as dangerous as it looks, like most of these guys are like they go to the stunt lot and they practice this stuff. So it's not like just overall recklessness. But so at the same time, in saying that, so if you're in these rides, you need to make sure to pay attention and always have your head on the swivel. Also, be prepared for anything to happen, because just like that, like nobody knew he was about to almost go down, and I'm right next to him recording. So I've got to be able to like see this going on and immediately like either maneuver out the way or to keep from like rolling over or getting hit. So like I said, these type of rides aren't for everybody. Like you definitely have to pay more attention than usual. Like they can definitely scare people, and I can see why, but honestly, if you get past those fears and nerves, like this stuff is so fun. Let's go. bike life as fuck. Yeah! Everybody's scraping right now. It's scrape season. So I bet you guys are wondering how we got here. Well, long story short is,
We had to dip the. Oh.
yeah. Are y'all walking or working?
Hey.
So yeah, a bunch of guys wanted to follow the group that were not welcome, and we just decided to dip off. We're gonna shoot on.
With all that.
Yeah, right. We're gonna shoot on back to the house because I mean we already got our wheelies in, we got our riding in. It's 12:40 in the morning.
Carson with us.
Carson's still here. He made it. He made the cut. But yeah, so if you guys did enjoy it, please smash that like button. It helps us more than you guys know. Also, if you haven't already and you watched this video, hit the subscribe button because like clearly there was something you were interested in if you watched all the way through. So just smash that subscribe button and we much appreciate it. And then you can also ring the notification bell in case you guys want to be notified when we do bring you guys amazing content.
We're gonna keep bringing it to you, so.
Right? You might as well just hit it.
It's like episodes on Netflix.
Yeah. You can Netflix
I know
it.
y'all like that.
But that's going to be it for tonight's video. We appreciate you guys watching. Y'all have a good one.